Hello and welcome back to Eddie's Old Iron. I've got the amanco out today. I'm going to try and give it a start. So, I've already put a bit of petrol through it, flushed the tank out, squirted plenty of oil around the gears and the valves, and filled up the lubricator pots. So, I'm going to go for a start in a minute. So I'm going to switch it to time lapse and bring you back in a minute. There we go, we have the amanco running. She runs quite well actually. That's the first time I've started this engine and the first time it's been started in a while. When I got it, the previous owner did say they had had it running but not for long. So hopefully it will stay running for a little longer than I expect. Let me give you a little walk around. I think there's something we could do with adjustment on. There's a little tiny knock and a rattle. But obviously the first time I've run it. There we go. Hopefully I might just oily rag this engine, but hopefully get it to a show some point either later this year or early next year. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more on old engines and bits of fabrication work to do with old engines. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.